Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your board pack is 47 slides long, and your investors still can't answer one simple question. What's the defect risk across our portfolio right now? If your executives are squinting at inverter uptime charts trying to decode asset health, this video is for you. Most solar portfolio board decks are data rich but insight poor. You've got availability percentages, budget variance tables, and PR ratio trends. All important, but none of them answer the forward-looking question investors actually care about. Where is risk concentrating in our portfolio, and what's it going to cost us? Defect risk is the leading indicator of future capex, availability erosion, and insurance claims, but it's typically buried in 80-page technical inspection reports that nobody reads. The portfolio managers who crack this communication problem get faster capital allocation and higher investor confidence. Here's the structure that works: a single visual dashboard showing 4 risk dimensions. Dimension 1, defect density heat map, show each site as a bubble sized by capacity and colored by defects per megawatt. Investors instantly see which assets are outliers. Dimension 2, severity distribution. Break defects into 3 tiers: critical, immediate production impact, moderate, degradation risk, and minor. Monitoring only. Show the mix as a stacked bar. This tells the board if you are dealing with urgent fires or slow burns. Dimension 3, trend vector. Are defects increasing, stable, or decreasing quarter over quarter? A simple arrow indicator by site. Dimension 4, financial exposure. Translate defect counts into estimated remediation cost and potential availability impact. This is the number that drives decisions. Here's where the magic happens. Our AI agent platform generates this one-pager automatically from continuous drone inspection data. The defect detection agent classifies every anomaly from thermal and RGB imagery, hotspots, delamination, junction box failures, soiling patterns. It tags each defect by severity using ML models trained on 400,000 plus defect images. The risk quantification agent then calculates defect density per MW, tracks trend changes, and estimates remediation costs based on historical work order data. The reporting agent assembles everything into board-ready visualizations updated in real time. What used to take an analyst 3 days of manual data wrangling now happens automatically every week. Tip 1. Standardize your defect taxonomy across all sites. Use consistent severity classifications so you can benchmark site to site. Tip 2. Link defects to GPS coordinates and asset IDs. This makes the data actionable for maintenance teams and auditable for investors. Tip 3. Track remediation velocity, not just defect counts. How fast are you closing out identified issues? Boards want to see defect closure rates as much as detection rates. Tip 4, overlay defect data with warranty expiration dates. Defects discovered 3 months before warranty expires have different urgency than those found 3 months after. When you present defect risk this way, board conversations shift from reactive to strategic. Instead of why is Site 3 underperforming, you get should we accelerate remediation spend on Site 3 and 7 before Q4 or stage it into next fiscal year. Instead of what happened last quarter, you get where should we focus inspection intensity next quarter. This is the difference between reporting what happened and enabling decisions about what to do next. Sophisticated investors expect this level of operational transparency. If you're still showing up with narrative updates and availability charts, you're signaling operational immaturity. Here's the strategic advantage. Portfolios that can demonstrate systematic defect risk management command higher valuations in M&A. Why? Because buyers see reduced uncertainty. If you can show 3 years of quarterly defect risk reporting, trend stable or improving defect density, and documented remediation response times under 60 days, you've just de-risked the asset in the buyer's model. That translates to multiple expansion. We've seen this add 5 to 8% to enterprise value in competitive bid situations. Want to see what a board-ready defect risk zero dashboard looks like for your portfolio? Download our portfolio risk visibility report at clearspot.ai/portfolio-report. You'll get the one-page template defect severity classification framework and the data structure needed to populate it from your inspection records. We've also included benchmarks from institutional portfolios so you can see where you stand. Stop burying risk in appendices, make it visible, quantified, and actionable. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.